Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. ತರತಮ ಭಾವವಾಚಕಗಳು. Positive degree. The positive degree is a degree in which no comparison is made and it is as your simple form. Comparative degree. The comparative degree is a degree in which two persons, places, things or two groups are compared. Superlative degree. The superlatives degree is a degree in which the quality is shown among more than two persons, things or more than two groups. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bright, brighter, brightest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Dull, duller, dullest. Dark, darker, darkest. Fast, faster, fastest. Great, greater, greatest. High, higher, highest. Hard, harder, hardest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Long, longer, longest. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, elder, oldest or eldest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Rich, richer, richest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Short, shorter, shortest. Small, smaller, smallest. Able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Pure, purer, purest. Sure, surer, surest. True, truer, truest. White, whiter, whitest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Easy, easier, easiest. Dry, drier, driest. Happy, happier, happiest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Tall, taller, tallest. Young, younger, youngest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Active, more active, most active. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Famous, more famous, most famous. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Honest, more honest, most honest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Proper, more proper, most proper. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Interchange of degrees. Model 1. If the positive is in an affirmative form, the comparative will be in a negative form. Example: positive. Pawan is as strong as Samir. Comparative. Samir is not stronger than Pawan. Positive. Ashok was as great as Vikramaditya. Comparative. Vikramaditya was not greater than Ashoka. Model 2. If the positive is in a negative form, the comparative will be in an affirmative form. Example: positive. Sonali is not as tall as Rama. Comparative. Rama is taller than Sonali. Positive. Silver is not so good as gold. Comparative. Gold is better than silver. Model 3. Sentences which begin with no other. Example 1. Positive. No other city in India is as big as Calcutta. Comparative. Calcutta is bigger than any other city in India. Superlative. Calcutta is the biggest city in India. Positive. No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. Comparative. The Ganga is longer than any other rivers in India. Superlative. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Model 4. Sentences which begin with very few. Positive. Very few Indian kings were as great as Ashoka. Comparative. Ashoka was greater than most other kings of India. Superlative. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings of India. Positive. Very few buildings in India are as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. Comparative. The Taj Mahal is more beautiful than most other buildings in India. Superlative. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful buildings of India.